Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all are doing well. Now we discuss about part 4 video. Part 4 video, the main title name video is lipids, their classification and types. We make already 3 videos, part 1, part 2 and part 3. Now we make part 4 video, and now let's start it about other slides. Discuss सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड, अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड। सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड ऐसे होते हैं और इनका जो अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड होते हैं उनमें डबल बॉन्ड होता है, इनमें सिंगल होता है, उनमें डबल होता है। अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड, दीज फैटी एसिड contain one or more double bonds along the length of the hydrocarbon chain. They are liquid at room temperature, have low melting point. The commonly used system for designating the position of double bond in unsaturated fatty acid is the delta numbering system. Example: linoleic acid, oleic acid, palmitoleic acid. In the naturally occurring unsaturated fatty acid, the double bonds are in CIS configuration, and trans fatty acid are produced by fermentation in the rumen of dairy animals and are obtained from dairy products and meat. Types of unsaturated fatty acid based upon the number of double bonds present. Monosaturated fatty acid. They contain only one double bond per fatty acid. The double bond is between C9 and C10. Delta power 9. Polyunsaturated fatty acids or PUFAs. They contain two or more double bonds along the length of the hydrocarbon chains. PUFAs are also known as essential fatty acid. Example like a linoleic and linoleic acid. Saturated fat, unsaturated fat. Saturated fat like meats, butters, dairy products, solid at room temperature, increased level of bad cholesterol, low density lipoprotein, clogs arteries. Unsaturated fat are vegetable oils, liquid at room temperature, increased level of good cholesterol, high density lipoprotein, or HDL, crabs, LDL, and isochords. It is to the liver where LDL is broken down and eventually removed from the body. Tricyclic glycerols, triglycerides, fats, and neutral fats are trisers of fatty acids and glycerol. They are composed of 3 fatty acids and glycerol molecules. Triglycerol are of 2 types. Simple, these contain single type of fatty acid. Mixed contains 2 or more different kind of fatty acid. This is a tricyclic ester of glycerol with fatty acids. Tricycle glycerols are non-polar, hydrophobic in nature, and a major form of stored lipids. These molecules contain fatty acids of various lengths and be saturated or unsaturated. They can be distinguished as a fat and oil on the basis of physical state at room temperature. Reactives: sponification, rancidity. Fat when boiled with alkali, NaOH, KOH, or hydrolysis with alkali form soaps and are called sponification. The fats turn rancid when exposed to air. It is unsuitable for human consumption. Esterification, hydrogenation. Carboxylic group of fatty acid is esterified when reacts with alcohol, resulting in an ester. Double bonds on unsaturated fatty acids can be oxidized or hydrogen can be added to them in the presence of catalyst nickel platinum. This is the fourth part of the video. I hope you like this video. Khuda Hafiz.